Hello guys, welcome back to Affiliate Marketing Tutorial for Beginners Part 2. Now in this Part 2 of this training tutorial series, you're going to see the pros and the cons of affiliate marketing business. Now there is no such thing as a perfect business model available out there online despite what you might be seeing there all over the social media platforms. Now in this video, I'm going to show you or expose you the honest truths about affiliate marketing business. And if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to show you the top 3 lies that are being propagated all over the social media about affiliate marketing business. Now, in case if you have missed the first part of this training tutorial series where I have discussed about what is affiliate marketing and what are the basic terminologies related to affiliate marketing, then you can always refer to the video over here. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then please hit the subscribe button below in order to get the notifications whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into my screen. Now, let's see what are the pros of affiliate marketing. Now, first one is work from anywhere. All you need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. Now, this is an online business and the only thing you require is a laptop and a good Wi-Fi connection. You can do it while you're on a vacation or you're traveling or even at your home or anywhere else. The only thing you need is just a laptop and a Wi-Fi. So the second one is low startup cost. You don't need any form of inventories. Yeah, unlike other models, business models like the Amazon FBA or the e-commerce, the drop shipping, you need to hold your inventory, and that requires upfront investment. And that will be a huge investment to begin with. Whereas in affiliate marketing, you don't need to have a huge investment upfront. The third pro is that no shipping hassle. Promoting of digital products. Since we are going to promote digital products online, we don't need to attend all those shipping hassles. You can always promote physical products on Amazon, on other Temu and all other platforms, but the commission rates are very much lower compared to the digital products. So I always recommend you to go for the digital products. The fourth pro is that no customer service. The product vendors are the ones to handle the customer complaints and potential refunds, etc. And the last one is high commission rates. Some products will even offer 100% commissions. Guys, in affiliate marketing space and especially with the digital products, remember the commissions can vary from 50% to 100% and even sometimes 200-300% upfront. And I have seen programs where the commission rates are $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. And it's a big opportunity for you to promote high ticket products. Now let's see what are the cons of affiliate marketing business. So the first one is steep learning curve. So in affiliate marketing business, which is online business, the learning is very steep. And here you must understand this. Learning is one thing, but mastering is altogether a different game. Understand this, guys. Mastering is altogether a different game. The second con, mastering traffic. Different platforms, different learning curve. Now, what do you mean by traffic? If you don't know what is traffic, traffic is the eyeballs for the people. How you're going to get the eyeballs to your affiliate offer or affiliate product. Now, there are different methods in order to bring traffic. There are Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram, TikTok, and solo ads. If you go to any platform, maybe it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they work differently and it's very difficult to adjust to their algorithm, and you have different learning curves with each traffic. So it is always necessary to master at least one social media traffic. Third one is dynamic environment. Need to constantly upgrade yourself. Now, remember, this is an online business. So everything keeps changing every month or even every day in the online space. So you need to constantly learn what is going on within your industry and adjust to the technological advancements to keep up with the pace in the affiliate marketing business. So the fourth one is the free traffic. Lots of patience, yet consistent efforts to get sales. Now, many people are interested in getting free traffic to your affiliate products or affiliate offers. But in order to bring free traffic, you need to consistently work and you need a lot of patience. And I've seen people just giving up with the first month or second month or third month. But in order to master free traffic, you need to put in a lot of effort, even months or even years on any platform. It might be YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. You need to consistently post, and only when you build a know, like, trust, then you will get your sales. So that's all about the cons of affiliate marketing business. Now you have spent your valuable time to watch this video up till this point. Let me share with you the top 3 lies that has been spread across different social media platforms about affiliate marketing business. Lie number 1, it's easy to make money as an affiliate. Guys, if you remember the famous author Og Mandino, in his book, The Greatest Salesman in the World, he says, everything that looks easy is hard to prepare. I say it again, everything that looks easy is hard to prepare. Affiliate marketing business looks easy at the top level, but it's comfortable if you're doing hundreds or 200 or even 500 or $1,000 per month. But when you want to up your game to $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month and even above, then it's no longer easy, guys. This is not to demotivate you guys, but you have to understand the hard reality about affiliate marketing where no one else discusses. Now, the second lie that is being spread across the social media platform is that affiliate marketing is a set and forget type business model that will automatically print you money till life. Now, this kind of thing happens only if you have a sophisticated advanced level setup and mastery in joint ventures with top affiliate marketers and also having evergreen traffic sources. This might even take more than 10, 15, even decades to build such business models. Now, the third lie that you might have heard a million times is that affiliate marketing is simple and doesn't require a website. Yeah, technically speaking, you don't need a website, but honestly speaking, you still need a landing page where you're going to collect your email address or you're going to direct the traffic to different affiliate offers. And you always need to have your affiliate links cloaked. Cloaking is nothing but replacing your ugly and spammy looking affiliate link. And if you can always check with the ClickBank affiliate links where it looks spammy, and you always need to replace them with a very good domain of yours with a proper affiliate link in order to make people click on it. So there are so many things to be done at the front end and even at the back end where you're going to send email automation sequences or you're going to target them with different offers and all technical setup. Please don't get carried away all by these flashy signs of earning $10,000 commissions over YouTube. Now let's come to the conclusion part of it, where you have seen the pros and cons of affiliate marketing and the top 3 lies that I have shared with you now. And now remember, guys, the number 1 pro, which is work from anywhere with your laptop and Wi-Fi connection. Now, affiliate marketing business model really is the perfect example of how to work at any remote location only with your internet and laptop connection. Even though it is hard to master affiliate marketing business, once you master it, once you know the entire process, entire setup of how to do this business and how to get your massive free traffic and channel them and earn commissions from these free traffic, how to reinvest this commissions earned from your free traffic into paid traffic, and from there how to scale this business, and from there you can earn like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month, and it's only a matter of time, and you can literally sit for 1 or 2 hours a day working in front of the laptop. Honestly speaking, guys, affiliate marketing business model is one of the best, if not the best business model available out there online, comparing to other business models like Amazon FBA or dropshipping or even coaching or consulting, where it requires a lot of headaches and overheads. It's the perfect business model where you're not going to get into any kind of customer service, shipping hassles. So personally speaking, there is no other business model that is so lucrative, where once you reach a certain level, the commissions is going to fly in. And you only need to work like 1 or 2 hours a day, and which will make you almost like a semi-retired. Now, if you're someone who is genuinely interested and serious about building an online business and want to succeed in this online space, then I would seriously recommend you to watch this video of how to succeed in affiliate marketing using solo ads. Now, this tutorial series, this is a step-by-step tutorial where you can watch and learn, where even a 12-year-old with the basic computer knowledge skills can understand. Now, please go and watch that video where you can learn a lot and request you to take action from it. Now, if you want to learn more about my third video in this training tutorial series, which is going to be the part 3, where I'm going to discuss about the affiliate marketplaces, then please hit the subscribe button below in order to get notified so you get the video at the very moment I upload. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.